Did you know that your kidneys, those two bean-shaped powerhouses, filter around 120 to 150 quarts of blood every single day? But when these unsung heroes face trouble, like proteinuria, it's a silent signal that not everything is as smooth as it should be. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of kidney health, exploring the best vitamins and natural remedies to stop proteinuria in its tracks and rejuvenate your kidneys. From the well-known to the hidden gems, we've got you covered with all the essentials you need to know. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Vitamins and minerals. Essential for kidney health. The journey to restoring kidney health and halting proteinuria is paved with a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients play critical roles in not only supporting kidney function, but also in preventing the conditions that lead to protein leakage into the urine. Among these, vitamin D, vitamin K2, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids stand out for their significant benefits. Vitamin D is paramount in the regulation of kidney function. It helps to maintain the balance of calcium and phosphate in the body, which is vital for the health of bones and kidneys alike. Vitamin D receptors are found in the kidneys, indicating its direct role in kidney health. Adequate levels of this vitamin help prevent proteinuria by facilitating the proper filtration process in the kidneys, ensuring that proteins are retained in the bloodstream rather than being lost in the urine. Furthermore, vitamin D has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease, a leading cause of proteinuria, by improving kidney function and reducing inflammation. Moving on to vitamin K2, this nutrient is crucial for calcium metabolism, directing calcium to the areas of the body where it is needed, such as the bones and teeth, and away from areas where it could cause harm, like the kidneys and blood vessels. By preventing the calcification of blood vessels and kidneys, vitamin K2 plays a protective role against the progression of kidney damage and proteinuria. It ensures that calcium is used effectively by the body, reducing the risk of it depositing in the kidneys and impairing their function. Magnesium is another mineral that supports kidney function and helps in the reduction of proteinuria. It acts as a natural calcium antagonist, helping to prevent the overload of calcium in kidney cells, which can lead to kidney damage and proteinuria. Magnesium also aids in lowering blood pressure, a common cause of kidney stress and damage. By maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, magnesium indirectly protects the kidneys from damage that could lead to proteinuria. Its role in muscle and nerve function further underscores its importance in maintaining overall health, including that of the kidneys. Omega-3. Fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial in reducing inflammation in the kidneys and throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage and proteinuria, making omega-3s vital in a kidney protective diet. These fatty acids can also help improve blood lipid profiles, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition that can exacerbate kidney problems and lead to cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods or supplements into the diet, individuals can support their kidney health and reduce the risk of proteinuria. Additional natural remedies and lifestyle changes. In the quest to combat proteinuria and enhance kidney health, incorporating certain natural remedies and making specific lifestyle changes can be incredibly effective. Among these, reishi mushrooms, dietary adjustments, proper hydration, and regular exercise are pivotal. Reishi mushrooms have been recognized for their therapeutic properties, especially in traditional Chinese medicine, for centuries. Recent studies have highlighted their potential in supporting kidney health and mitigating proteinuria. These mushrooms contain compounds that may help in repairing kidney damage and reducing inflammation, which is a significant factor in kidney disease progression. The antioxidants present in reishi mushrooms also protect the kidneys from further damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Their immunomodulating properties help in balancing the immune response, preventing the immune system from attacking the kidneys, which can exacerbate proteinuria. When it comes to dietary recommendations, what you eat plays a crucial role in managing kidney health and proteinuria. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the necessary nutrients without overburdening the kidneys. It's essential to limit the intake of sodium, processed foods, and high-protein foods, as these can increase blood pressure, worsen kidney function, and contribute to proteinuria. Including foods high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can further support kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Hydration is another cornerstone of kidney health. Adequate water intake helps the kidneys to filter waste from the blood and excrete it in the urine efficiently. It also aids in maintaining the balance of electrolytes and preventing kidney stones, which can impair kidney function and contribute to proteinuria. While the exact amount of water needed can vary based on individual health, climate, and activity level, aiming for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day is a good rule of thumb. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider, as those with certain kidney conditions may need to adjust their fluid intake. Exercise plays a multifaceted role in supporting kidney function and overall health. Regular physical activity helps in maintaining a healthy weight, reducing blood pressure, and managing blood sugar levels, all of which are crucial for kidney health. Exercise also improves circulation, helping to efficiently deliver nutrients to the kidneys and remove waste products. Whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or any other form of moderate activity, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can significantly benefit kidney health and help reduce proteinuria. Implementing the changes. Incorporating vitamins and lifestyle changes into your daily routine can significantly improve kidney health and reduce proteinuria. However, understanding how to effectively integrate these changes is crucial for long-term success. Here are practical tips for adopting these modifications in a sustainable manner. Firstly, start by gradually introducing vitamins and supplements into your diet. Sudden changes can be overwhelming and difficult to maintain. For instance, if you're looking to increase your intake of vitamin D, consider foods fortified with vitamin D, such as certain dairy products, orange juice, and cereals, alongside sensible sun exposure. Similarly, for magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, incorporate nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and leafy greens into your meals. Consulting with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage of these vitamins and supplements is essential to ensure they complement your health without causing adverse effects. When adjusting your diet for better kidney health, make small, manageable changes over time. Replace high-sodium snacks with fresh fruits and vegetables, and opt for whole grains over refined grains. Gradually reducing the intake of processed and high-protein foods can help your body adjust without feeling deprived. Hydration is another area where incremental changes can make a significant impact. If you're not used to drinking enough water, start by adding 1 extra glass of water a day until you reach the recommended daily intake. Remember, the needs can vary depending on your body size, activity level, and climate. Incorporating exercise into your routine doesn't mean you have to commit to intense workouts immediately. Begin with short daily walks or gentle yoga sessions and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your fitness improves. The key is to find activities you enjoy, making it more likely you'll stick with them. The importance of consistency and patience cannot be overstated. Improvements in kidney health and reductions in proteinuria levels take time. Set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Precautions and professional advice. While making dietary and lifestyle changes can have a positive impact on kidney health, it's crucial to proceed with caution and seek professional advice, especially for those with existing health conditions. Before making significant changes, consulting with healthcare professionals, such as a doctor or a dietitian, is imperative. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition, ensuring that any changes support your overall health without causing harm. Regular monitoring of kidney function is an essential aspect of managing proteinuria. Healthcare professionals can conduct blood and urine tests to assess how well your kidneys are filtering waste and whether proteinuria is improving or worsening. This monitoring allows for adjustments to your treatment plan as needed, ensuring the best possible outcomes. Wrapping up, we've journeyed through the essentials of kidney health, uncovering the pivotal role vitamins and natural remedies play in combating proteinuria and fostering kidney rejuvenation. Remember, the path to healthy kidneys doesn't just end with knowledge, it begins with action. Start incorporating these vitamins into your diet, embrace the lifestyle changes, and always stay hydrated. Your kidneys work tirelessly for you, so it's time to return the favor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health wisdom, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Your journey towards better kidney health starts now. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more health tips and tricks that will keep you feeling your best.